Did you know that coronavirus started in late 1930s and 1940s, and it's not a new virus that the world is actually suffering from? Yes, that's the fact. So keep watching the video to know more about this. Before we get on to the actual content of today's video, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon so that every time I have something for you, you get notified immediately, and let's keep in touch. Hey guys, to start with today's T-Cube session, that is top 10 things, I have this topic that is top 10 deadliest virus. Yes, so now let's quickly move on to the first one in the list. I think you would have already guessed it, that is coronavirus. Yes, and this is also known as novel coronavirus, and actually this virus is a group of related virus that causes this disease in mammals and birds, which actually leads to respiratory infections. And this was first discovered in 1930s and 1940s, in this domesticated chickens and other animals which had this respiratory infections, and they started dying all around. Yes. And coming to human kind of coronavirus, there are actually two different species and subspecies to talk about. So the first species is SARS-CoV that we all are aware of, that is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, and the same one in CoV-2 that is called as COVID-19. Both of these were identified in 2002 and 2019 in China. And the other one was called as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, which was actually identified in 2012 as a new coronavirus field, and this started I think in Saudi Arabia. And today, to give the statistics, there are 21 lakh people who are affected by coronavirus all around the world. So moving on to the second one on the list is Marburg virus. And Marburg virus is a family of virus which actually causes infection to multiple parts of our organs and dysfunctioning of them. And this virus was considered to be extremely dangerous, and actually it leads to severe health problems and also death of people. And this was first, described in 1967 in parts of West Germany, and there were less number of cases in total when compared to other viruses, but the death rate is very high. Like 97% of the affected case will be leading to death. The third one on the list is Ebola virus. This is also called as EVD. This is a viral disease which actually has a high risk of death, and it causes vomiting, diarrhea, unusual rashes, and also decreases the functioning of our liver and kidney. When a person is suffering from this Ebola virus, it is said that they begin to bleed both internally and externally. And moving on to what exactly causes this Ebola virus, there are 5 different kinds of virus that come together to cause this fever, out of which 4 of them come together to cause this fever in humans. And the first case of this was identified in 1976 in parts of Africa. Moving on to the next one on the list is plague. Yes, and plague is started since 13th century in parts of Europe and has killed millions and millions of people till date. So this is a disease which affects humans and mammals, and it is caused because of a bacterium, and this bacterium is spread due to an interaction between those rodent flu that are carrying this plague bacterium, or when you get in contact with such animals which are actually carrying this bacterium. And now the next one on the list is malaria. Malaria is found in 500 million people, which is caused due to a female of the Anophelia mosquitoes, and there are 300 millions of people who have actually have severe cases of this malaria. And this was started in first African villages where children were bitten by such mosquitoes carrying malaria since 1914. So the next few on the list is cholera, smallpox, swine flu, and also hantavirus. So thank you for watching. I hope you all liked the video. If yes, please hit on the thumbs up symbol below and support me. And for more such videos, do not forget to subscribe to Miss Talk. I come up with such interesting topics of discussion on every Saturdays, and must know top 10 things, that is T-Cube, on every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday and Friday, and some interesting stories on every Wednesdays and Sundays. Keep watching. Much love. Take care.